Mr. Ryan Miranda.
Oh, camera straight in face.
Are you cool with this?
I mean, yeah.
Alright, what is up guys, how you doing? So yesterday, I always do this, recap on yesterday, worked on the BMW, finished up basically most of the wiring on it in terms of all the annoying stuff, so the harness actually fits, the front end's on, all this stuff. Now we're waiting for parts, again, because I suck, didn't order the right stuff. But, we're doing some stuff today.
Yeah, we're doing stuff, I guess.
So, Ryan, one of the coolest S13s on the East Coast. And I feel like we always just buy and sell each other parts off them. Our cars look very similar. So Ryan decided to change up a little plans on his car, and he decided to sell me something off his car that I've wanted literally since the day he flexed it on me. And it's here now. Drum roll, please.
I hear drum roll?
Yeah, do drum roll. As you can see, it's a whole trunk and wing setup. It's similar to mine, but completely different.
Same, but different.
As you guys know, I have a S14 kooky wing on my trunk. This is for an S14, not an S13. So it doesn't fit right. They don't fit. I mean, I can make it fit with some fiberglass work, but I never really cared. I thought it looks great. Ryan's wing is a little different, and it's way cooler. At close look, it might look exactly the same. But what this wing actually is this wing was made by GTR Garage in Japan. They do a lot of cool custom parts, and this one itself is actually a R32 GTR wing converted into a kooky style wing. So this is an R32 GTR wing. Now I'm all gassed up from all this coffee and I'm excited. So R32 GTR wing right here. We actually bought this for DJ's car, for his 32 of course. Ends up it was fake, so we returned the money and we're gonna return it to our buddy. But let's compare it. Very similar form, very similar shape. Now comparing it to this one, look at it. It's literally the same thing.
Yeah, same thing without these guys.
I think we're just gonna switch it over and see how it looks. This is a big moment, dude. This is the first thing I ever did to this S13 was put a wing on it. This thing's light as hell, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, the car does look badass wingless. I like coupes wingless because they look longer, and wingless coupes actually like look cooler drifting, but I love this wing so much. It does look pretty cool.
It looks really good. I like it. That doesn't also have a trunk latch.
It's
gotta go that way.
I love it, dude. It looks so much better. I like how much tinier it is. Yo. It's all situated. God, does that look freaking amazing. It's insane because it's so similar. Like, it might be a little hard for you guys to tell on camera, but in person, it's like a whole different car. Now, this one, way sleeker. It really brings the car together, and it's a little bit smaller, and with the stock body, it definitely fits so much nicer. And it's sick, rare parts from Japan. So, that's cool, too. So, maybe that'll be the clickbait title. Can we do that? Hell yeah. Rare parts from Japan. I mean, it is. I love kooky wings on hatches. That might sound really weird, but it's a really, really cool look. And so I want to test fit this on the budget hatch. And Chip, if you're watching, you're going to love this because it looks sick. Yo, it hugs the trunk. This fits the Saturn better than it fits my S13 coupe. What do you think, Ryan?
It looks like an Eclipse.
It looks like a 4th gen Eclipse. Too bad Chip's never here. I'm calling you out, Chip.
That looks really good. I like that.
That's so cool. It just changes the whole entire look of the car. It's like borderline racey, and I absolutely love it. Look at that, guys. That is the selling angle right there. Yeah, do that.
I'm scared to move that.
Steffi.
Hi.
Off of work early today.
Yeah.
So I got a new part for my car. Can you guess what it is? My S13. Something like as dramatic to different.
Is it a wing?
Oh.
That's first try.
I think it's only because it's shinier. I think it's the only reason that she knows.
Only because you've been talking about big wings for the last like a long time. That looks really good.
The wing's on and it looks bitchin', but there's one thing I want to try something today. We were just talking about it. Do you know what it is?
He's gonna sand his glass.
So, my glass is gross. Like, I don't know if you guys... It is nasty. And like, I tried razor blading on it this way and it won't go away. There's a lot of overspray and stuff I guess you could try, and clay bar it I guess works too. What I've heard over the years is you can get like ultra fine steel wool and literally polish your windshield with it. Some people say it destroys it, some people say it polishes it. I guess we're gonna find out today. So we're gonna go to Home Depot, see if they have it, and then go from there. Hey, look, a Scooby driver. Wave to him. We've been to Lowe's so much the past week. So this is very important. As you can tell, there's like 5 different steel wheels. The 4 circles is like the finest it goes, and feel it. It's like feels furry. And if you go even triple is known to damage glass. So you gotta be very, very, very careful. So we're gonna send it with the triple or quadruple and go from there. So, right, quit kissing dudes.
She's crazy in her purse, she keep a switchblade. I'm out of town, still wear the chain like a tame.
Tuck, you got the fuck up on.
All right, yeah, now you could really see how gross and hazy it is. This is after I cleaned it a few times, guys, so.
It already looks better. Might be because it's wet though. Is that a fart?
No. Dude, that's insane. That looks so much better. I didn't even do the.
Like just pan from like here to here. Junk to mint.
It's still a little streaky in the inside, but look at this. It's a whole different piece of glass. That is insane. Ready, guys? Look at that. All gone. I'm impressed with that stuff. All right, well, I've always wanted to try that, and I'm pretty stoked on it. Like I said, be careful with it because it seems like you really can't actually scratch it if you really try, so I don't want to be responsible, so viewers' discretion advised. But Logan Steel, of course, you guys know, is like our, they're where I get all my powder coating done and all my steel and everything for all the projects, and they're holding like an open house today, so we're gonna stop in for an hour, get some food, look around, and go from there. So we're gonna go check them out. So let's go to Logan Steel. So we're at Logan Steel. We're about to give a, if you guys haven't seen this before, I come down here a lot. So we're gonna do a quick little tour, VIP style. So today they're doing a maker's meet, and a maker's meet, they do it every couple months, and they basically have an open house. They show all their products, they show all their cool stuff that they can do, and they have some food, have a good time. So we're gonna tour out the building and do that. Maybe do some toge in the golf cart. We'll see. Think we could drift this thing? No.
I mean, we hose some shit down. Those are some sick pit vipers.
Yeah, these things are tough, right?
All right, so where are we going, to the fab room first?
We're gonna go through the fab.
All right, so we're gonna go into the half of the building where they make all the cool stuff. So they got laser cutters, big ass ones, small ones, and anything can cut up from 8 inches of steel down to, I don't know, something small. All right, so here we got 2 giant ass laser cutters, and all I can think of is from like Austin Powers, just putting someone on there, but that's pretty weird. That's the new one. This one can cut really small stuff, which I would love to make stuff like that. So here's all the fab areas where these 2 buttholes work and pretend to make stuff. So,
Dude, if I worked here, I'd just go hide somewhere.
oh, there's a drill line. So this is where what they drill holes in like I-beams and stuff, for, like mounting holes and stuff. The I-beams.
To the left.
This place is massive. This like whole half over here, and this we're gonna go through real quick. It's called the bargain barn, and what they do is it's basically a bunch of steel cutoffs, a lot of small pieces. I mean, tubes, square cuts, everything. Anything you can only imagine. They sell by the pound, so if you're making any projects where you need raw material like this, you can buy by the pound. It's really nice because, I mean, you try to buy this stuff from Lowe's, it's like $50 for a 4-foot cut of like 1/4 inch. Endless possibilities. And now we're about to pass one of the coolest parts, and this is a giant ass paint booth where Haggard Garage actually painted their cars for the first time. So that's cool. This is a big sandblast room where we sandblasted Tommy F. Gas engine bay, so that's pretty cool. And then this is probably my favorite part, and this is like the powder coating area where they have the spray booth and the oven, of course. And so guys, this is where we powder coated all this stuff for the Z, my S13, and yeah, I think that's all we got down so far. Oh, Divine's here! That's awesome! I didn't even know he was coming! Dude, off the road. Come on, hop on. Do it. Get on here, boy. Get on. Come on. Oh. Oh, now we're really struggling.
Oh man.
Dude, this is so bad. Hey, Mike, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Nice to see you. This is struggling. I gotta help push.
I'm not here. I am getting my valve cover powder coated.
That's sick. What color?
White.
Should I not let them know?
No, it's fine.
Oh,
It'll
cool.
be, the video will be out tomorrow, so.
Perfect. Mine too. There you go, guys. That is our quick tour of Logan Steel.
This, but.
What have you done to my mom?
Dude, she asked. I'm.
Not bad.
Well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, Tucker!
Best thing ever.
Look at this.
What's up, guys?
What a nice surprise.
What up?
What do you think of the new wing?
Oh yeah. It
Looks
kinda is
stupid
a-
clean, doesn't it?
I thought it was a kooky wing at first. That's nice.
Right?
I've never seen one of these. I've never seen anyone rock this wing
That's
before.
exactly what's sick about it. Look how, like, from the rear end, doesn't it look way more OEM?
Really nice.
It's amazing.
It doesn't like come up anywhere
No,
or
dude.
anything.
Eddie's actually down here. Of course, here and there. Eddie's been putting together his 1JFC. Freaking such an awesome car. And he's put a lot of time in the past couple days and weeks getting his interior painted.
Yes, sir. Getting it done.
Yes, sir. So this Eddie's, I think that's your first time using a gun, right?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. So, and an interior is not an easy thing to paint. So we're gonna go check it out. I'm really excited to see his cage all painted up and the interior all painted up, and it's gonna be cool. So let's go check it out. Yo!
Yeah. Holy shit. It's kind of spotty, but I gotta go back into it. And dude, it was the sketchiest thing ever.
That came out awesome. This is what I wish my cage had, was a gusset, so that always looks so good. Yeah, buddy, keep it up.
Thank you.
Hey, I think V-Haul just got some new wheels. Did you get the new wheels, bro? Ready to show them?
Yeah, go for it.
Do a drum roll, please, Drew. Nice.
Yeah, some curved up Z4 wheels.
You can fix these.
Yeah, no, these are awesome. Yeah, they're 2-piece. They're legit.
Seems like your style.
Staggered. Pictures of E46s on the internet with these wheels, so they probably fit. Should I refinish them? I don't know.
Nope.
Probably not going to, but maybe one day.
Trying to get it nice and low.
Yeah, man, I need some coilovers. Who's got the hookup?
Oh, that's gonna look awesome.
Yeah, and they're factory 2-pieces. Sweet. There it is. Yeah, that's it. The lower you go, the more the car looks.
Let's turn into a swapping party out here. What's the new?
Woo-wee. 16 has arrived. This one?
You're not keeping it. Let's see some shit. I'm not nice.
You're not? Come on.
I'm not nice. It's so cool.
Look at this guy.
It's tall, bro. This thing's big.
I'm so happy.
We could talk.
Time to sell everything up. Parting on my S13, let me know. The SKS are for sale.
Tucker, what are you chewing? Is that wood? Stop it. You're gonna get splinters.
I thought it was a tree.
Stop it. Let go.
Hey,
Come on. We're not playing games here.
Tuck.
What's this thing from? What's up, Mike?
Did you get a Civic? What's going on?
How'd it go?
It went pretty good. The powder coater left, but that was good news for me because I got to do it myself. So.
There you go. So, as you guys saw a few minutes ago, Mike was at the Makers Meet down at Logan Steel, and he tried to powder coat himself, and it came out pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
This is for his blue coupe.
Yes, the teal coupe that was here a few months ago.
And if you guys don't know who Mike is, go check the link in the description. That's Mike Devine. He films the coolest videos ever, and he's always down here. He's a really good friend, so make sure you check him out.
Thanks,
Up
man.
and coming
I appreciate
vlogger
it.
right
I
here.
appreciate it. I
Auto
hit
vlogger.
40,000 a couple months
Really?
like a month ago.
That's
yeah.
sick.
Actually, like a couple weeks ago, to be
So
honest.
you know what? Actually funny. I was talking about building a turbo Civic today.
Really?
I would love to do like a boosted boy style, like really cheap Civic build, because I feel like I'd learn a lot from it. I think it'd be a really fun experience.
It would be wild.
Because I feel like I could do it for dirt.
Oh, so cheap.
Disgustingly cheap. Like,
So
I
cheap.
want to get a ratty piece of shit that's like, that's worth, touching. Not like too ratty. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no.
And
you
I don't
can-
know anything about.
You like a third of the cost that you built this, and you can make it have 600 wheels.
Dude,
Like,
I don't know anything about Honda engines. I just want to get an eBay ass turbo kit and boost it to all living hell. That is my goal. I want to boost the living crap out of a Civic, and I think it'd be a really good experience in terms of tuning, because I really want to get into tuning, and I feel like that's a really good car to start on. So let me know what you guys think, because I'm totally into it. But Mike wants to sand his little Honda badge and his little 16 valve
be a little
Honda.
ricer, you know what I'm saying?
No, it looks so much better when you sand the MMWay. It looks cool. So we're gonna tape it up and sand it for him and see how it looks.
Yeah.
Sound good?
I'm down. Let's do it. Boy, shit looks
We're
good.
upside down. This does look icy. It's crazy how much that always cleans it up.
Yeah, totally.
Boom.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys. It's like super late at this point, but I don't feel satisfied for today because I didn't get enough done. At least on the BMW, I didn't do anything, so I feel guilty about that. But I'm gonna do one thing a day at least for now until like all the big stuff comes in. So I'm gonna bang one thing out, and that's bolting up the exhaust. So I got New exhaust gaskets. This is the piece that bolts up from the headers because there's, you know, 2 individual ones, 3 cylinders each that go down to basically the downpipes. Got the new gaskets, got the old bolts because I mean these are fine. So we're gonna at least impact these on because I've been dreading this one. So want to be my professional filmer?
Sure.
What a pain in the ass is this gonna be? Oh, okay. So if you guys remember, I reused my M50 headers instead of using the M52 ones. So hopefully these still line up perfectly in line, even though it is a different motor. Should be very similar. Gotta love this, dude. An exhaust that's not seized up.
Right?
How often does that happen? Oh, and there we go. That is my Beamer mod of the day. Exhaust is done.
There you go.
All right, guys. So today was a pretty cool day. I'm still overly ecstatic about my wing. I keep saying it, but it's such a big upgrade. This wing's amazing, and it's a really cool piece to have. Besides that, it's late. I can't even think what to say. So we're just gonna end it right here. So you guys know the deal. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Mike, tell them what's good.
We'll see you in the next one. I don't know what. I don't.
You have to palm it. You know how this goes.
Oh.
Good night.
Good night.